Hello everyone. Today is day 94 of 366 day live challenge. Where I come live each day and share my journey. This 366 day live journey is a challenge for myself from January to December. I want to excel and I want to grow on my personal and my professional life. On this live, mainly I will learn, I will communicate with you guys. I will try to explain something or and I will try to learn from you guys also. That's the thing. And for as today my day was great. Like it was a productive day, but uh, and yeah, it was a productive, but I want to do it more. Like it's life, yeah. I want to live at my best. I don't want to be like settled in a medium average way. I don't want that. Just giving all I have until I succeed. So yeah, today basically I will be focusing on my own project startup art, and also I will try to learn from the open source regarding like the best practices, like how the folder structure are made in the big project, right? Because what I personally felt also, as I'm developing, like as I'm doing my job in my office also, right? Okay, so in the Angular and the React, like as I'm doing my front end role in the Next.js framework of the React. So like the on the Angular, so there are like already a defined rule that you need to follow for to render something or to do any kind of stuff. There is a way, there is a way of to do, and that should be done, yeah. But in the React, it gives you the flexibility to make your component in whatever page you want and just import it. So it gives you of kind of a more power and a way of a creation to the developer, right? So that's I think okay. And so like the most so React is also popular because that is like a UI focused framework. And as my stack, or like as I'm doing right now, is the React and the Next.js, right? And what I personally feel is also like I have learned from myself, yeah. Like I have never been like taught, or like there on the office also, I have learned from myself. So there was no any mentor to help me, or no any senior developer of my React, okay, from where I can learn and from where I can get any insight. So until the internet was my friend, and now also it is. So just I've found some open source project on the Next.js on the React. I think like they are like kind of a promising. I will be checking their how they manage their code stocks, or how they are doing certain things, and why they are doing certain kind of things. Like I will try to brainstorm, and by that kind of knowledge, I can really excel, and I can really implement on my own project also, and in my development journey. So that's the thing. Justin, yo, bro. Hello, what's up, bro? Still, Justin, bro. Like, do you know Prisma? Yeah, like have you used it? I mean, have you did some self project on the Prisma? Okay. Mm. Like basically, it is a ORM, so making schema and making just seed in the database. But there is another uh, just like the Prisma, it's like the Drivel, and I update that Drivel. But yeah, so basically, I'm today like going on the open source project of the famous Next.js or the React sites, and how they manage their code, how they structure their component, and how they use React on their site. No, no, I mean how they use Redux on their site. Cause although like I'm learning backend and other like DSA and others, uh, many stuff, but as I'm a front end developer and I'm getting money for doing that work, right? And I should be good at my work because they are paying me for to do certain things, and I wanna be the not just a okay kind of guy. I want to do it well. So that's the thing. So yeah, okay. I will be learning, breaking things. DKB, hey bro. Hello bro. How you doing and how was your day, brother? How thing? So I use StreamYard, why not OBS? So there are two reasons. So the main is as for as for now, my laptop is not that kind of a best. Okay, and I'm trying to buy a new laptop, but it's not base. And if you see my tabs on my Chrome, then right now also I have, I think 105 or 110 tabs are open on my Chrome. Okay, and also the video. And if I try to use OBS, BS Code, Postman, and my own MongoDB server, and yeah, name it, like all those things while programming, then it won't support. Like I tried, but and that was kind of a lag. Okay, and this stream yard I got from the GitHub student developer pack pro account, like a pro service. Like I can change this stream yard logo on my top right, but uh okay, I will change after some time because uh I need to make some logo or something, or I can just change it. Okay, let me see. Upload a photo. I can upload a photo. Uh, for now, let's try this one. Will it open? Oh no! Like I think the StreamYard is also there, right? Or if I click on the StreamYard logo is added to all StreamYard recording on Essential plan. So I have the Essential plan, not the Pro. Okay, I thought. So okay, this happens. I have not explored this stream yet also, bro. Like, leave background, add background music. Yeah, this was okay. So I'm doing. If I open one or 10 tab on Chrome, I'm going to die for sure even though I'm using Linux. I'm also using Linux. Yeah, bro. Uh, yeah, like from my young age, right? Like when I got this laptop and the internet access, like I always remember having like 50 or 60 tab. Like I don't know why, but if I got new thing while doing something and I want to know that thing, okay, like only then I can. And if I go back to add the initial thing, then my understanding will be a bit more, okay, like so I can connect the dots, okay, like kind of way, and that way I will learn also like a fast way because I'm like seeing on the broad picture, okay, like how things is really working. So like I don't have like a habit of just having two three tabs. So I think that and I always thought like this is for everyone, okay. But I when I went to the office, right, and when I saw the other bros, like they only like barely have like 4 5 tabs. Which Linux distro you are using? So, bro, like basically, I'm using Ubuntu because of plenty of reason. Because my deployment is like kind of very smooth. Like I once tried the Fedora also, and I liked it a lot. Okay, but so on the Ubuntu, I can just like with the three finger, I can swipe the tabs, and on that Fedora, I think there was the option or not. Like I didn't explore in the depth, but I really like the that feature of just by three finger you can switch the tabs, right, like one screen to a next workstation. DK bit browser and what Linux distro are you using? Oh, okay. And how is the experience with the Fedora, bro? And bro, like I like from the past month, okay, I really want to try Arc. Yeah, Linux, and I did install the OBS on my pen drive also. But I'm like waiting for one day, like a Saturday, where I have like 4 5 hours of free time. So that at that time I can install, I can break things, and I can do that stuff. because like there is the meme and there is the whole like a thing going on the open source and the Linux. Like by the way, I use Arc, right? And also, so there is the Arc Black, right? Like that is the most famous operating system for hacking. And I think like if you do use like kind of a art, and if you try if you build from this start like a scratch, yeah, so your Linux understanding of like how like the commands and all those things like really stood up. Okay, so that's the main reason I wanted to use the Arc, because I do use like Ubuntu, but and I know pretty much of the command on the Linux also, but still I'm not kind of that confident on my Linux. I have new Vim in my PC full customized using lazy Vim, but I still use VS Code. Okay. Like it bro, like are you from India, right? So like do you know one YouTuber? His name is Horse. Like what is his name? I think Horse. Hartik. I think Hartik. Akrit or like I'm so sorry for like not pronouncing. Okay, Harkiyat Singh, right? Like I watched this one video of the new beam, right? And I also like install the new thing like the configuration, like the terminal, and like there are lot of things needed. Yeah, but I did install like not fully customized, but like the VS Code is kind of a what you say like just a default for me. But I really want to switch to the. I really want to switch to the terminal based editor. DKB bro, and what is your typing speed, bro? Like yesterday, like one brother came to my live, yeah, and he said regarding this, yeah. So and today I like did practice for like more than 30 minutes. Although like I was super busy today, like I just I know him, but I don't watch his videos. Yeah, like I also like don't like that much. But the one time like I was in like there was something on me. I like wanted to try new beam or like a beam, but didn't know like where to start kind of thing. So I just got that video. My type, yeah, bro. And today I like as of yesterday, yeah, like I so I'm committed to do practice for at least 15 minutes each day for my typing. And so the main thing why my typing was slow was I used like four finger or five finger on typing. Okay, like total six finger. But like okay, although you can like type so many like fast way, but if you use only these two finger like four finger, then your maximum will be all around 55 or 56, and that is mine. Okay, and if you just go this like all finger like 10 finger on your keyboard, and like toss typing, right? Like just by the toss you can use all those 10 finger, then your like speed goes to like 150, 120, 130, bro. And yesterday I watched one video, okay, like while going to sleep, I was on video. That guy has of like 200, okay, like 200 word per minute, like uh, it's probably around 28. Like mine also like was that like just because nowadays I type like a lot. Let me do one. So mine was 50 right now. Accuracy was like 86 because I missed some of the word. Let me try it again and let me do while sharing my screen. You ever try JSS? Okay, let me share my screen, okay, bro? Mm. So, bro, I told you, right? So, my tabs. Okay, so my terminal is, bro. So, this is the JSS, you can say. And I love this because, bro, just by like, it gives you suggestion, right? Like, I really like this suggestion things. So, this was 50, okay? So, let me try it again. But like when I like stream like screen share, then my typing goes down a bit. Don't know cause of I'm thinking about like what is bro. 50 to 90% aggressive, but 50 like that. And I really want to make my typing to 100. Like I have set one target also in until my birthday comes, right? Okay, on the 3 month, I want to have my 100% word per minute WPM. Okay, okay, let me just. I pressed it wrong, bro. Bro, bro. Let me. So today I had my gym session and I did today bicep. Okay, and bro. No, but I think I can only do like one to like a- at the best. Why through browser? Like right now, like I had like two browser because on one browser I'm doing this live also, and like at the most of my day, like I always have two browser because I'm working on like on my job also, like I'm doing something on one screen and one screen another, and I need that whole like both way. Like I don't want to just like this switch, okay? Like I can even though like put this on here and just switch like this way. So okay, well, let me just complete one. Okay, I want to complete the authentication part, and also need to learn like more of a MongoDB. Okay, like I know like MongoDB like a simple way. Like I know how to make auth, how to make like a module, how to link, but I don't know like how to query on the MongoDB. And also like today I learned, okay, on the start of the MongoDB server, right? So if I want to insert directly to the MongoDB, right? How can I do it? So I learned that today also, but basically after making that auth part like whole like front end and full backend full auth, then I will learn more even. So I just do all that. Yeah, like me too, but like why I feel like that is kind of a like okay. So if by like just three finger, I can just yeah, and like all tab like you are getting a point, right? What's your Twitter? So okay. Nowadays, like I don't use that much, okay, because to be honest, I don't have time. But so, bro, my use like the life of Piraz, and I yeah like bro like yeah we can follow on Twitter, okay. So I was thinking to like put like so I come stream each day, right? So it is now 94 day. So while coming live, I can just post one tweet, yeah, like I'm coming live. So this is my link, and that can also like can help me on like a development way. Like I can network with the other developer also, cause for as my knowledge. So why I used Twitter in the first place also was because I wanted to meet other developers. I want to connect and view their ideas. But right now, like I'm more focused on the LinkedIn part, and my Twitter account, like my previous Twitter account also got kind of banned, or like now it's not working. Like I had like a two Twitter account, like one for was my personal, and one was kind of my developer kind of thing. As the expression, I might use React Query, but and bro, like one suggestion or one learning I got. Okay, so let me share. Okay, if you like, then yeah. Okay, so we build project, we go on the YouTube and source. Like if I know React and if I know Express, then I will go source in the YouTube and I will select a project idea on React and like on the React for an example, right? But if you are making project to learn, then your real learning happens when you don't know that framework. Okay, like what I mean to say is building different type of system, building and learning the whole documentation and building the system from scratch, right? So like that will help you to build your logic development, yeah. And on when you go to your office, so you can't say like I only know React because your company wants you to code on the views, yes. So at that time you must code on the view, yeah, right? So like going after the whatever technology you only know and just making project on that is kind of a like I'm not saying bad, but there is kind of a both like upside and downside of it also. And on the project, what I do as my personal project, right? I tend to do some framework, like not all new framework, but certain part of the my project I want to use a new framework, so that can really complement my skill. So right now I'm like my basic my experience with the data fetching and data mutation is article query, but as on this project I'm doing with the React query. So where is my folder? Mm, Don, I followed you. Okay, so I will log into my Twitter from my phone right now. It is on the charge. Bro, and like, what are you doing? Like, what are you studying? Bro, and your what's your profile picture? It is Naruto. Right. I think the uh, going going to do 100 days of code from today. I'm going to take class UT course for program fundamentals and building prototypes for next few days. I already know that and basic code. Oh, that's a really really great start with your brother. And as in my startup, like in my company also, like our app development is going on the Flutter. Okay, and like so and on my like I think before 2 year, okay, like I tried Flutter also, and I like just made a simple sign in and login page and one calculator kind of UI. And at that time, like I was in my high school, I guess, yeah. And my laptop as the Flutter, it requires Android Studio, and I did not knew that just by the VS Code and like you don't even need emulator, like you can just plug your phone and there is one software like which I don't remember now, but with that also you can create, pretty much create, right? What you building today? So I'm building my startup like marketplace, and as today, like I already have like backend API on Express for the auth, so I'm just implementing it on the front end. But just encounter like a problem like, okay, so I knew like RTK query, but I have no experience with the React query, right? And like on this project, like I choose like one library or one framework that I don't know, and if I choose that, then if I build, then my learning will also grow, right? That's why I choose. But I guess there is some kind of difference, yeah, like this in, I thought that is same, but I'm having one issue of like where the client is not defined, but I have already defined it, or I need to add somewhere else aside from the layout file also. Mm, Let me do this way. Let me do is I will do like uh so Nikhil Gupta, like where are you from, brother? Let me do this way. So if I go on my phone, I use VS Code and my physical phone. Yeah, bro, like that's way you can like start, and after some year, obviously, buying Mac. Yeah, uh, I also like. So my Discord is live also on my, no, not live but private on my repo, and I did comment need to fix the query client not defined of unexpected behavior. Hmm. But I can learn emulator with no like thanks to Linux. Yeah. So bro, like which laptop speaker do you have? Like RAM? 8 GB RAM probably. Okay, like so. I also have 8 GB, but initially I think I have only 4 GB RAM. When like so you are studying like you are a high school student, right, bro? And okay, so on the day of uh, coding, best wishes, and after logging into the Twitter, I will follow your journey on the Twitter. So make sure to post on daily, okay, on the Twitter. I finished my school year 2 year ago after I didn't college. So bro, you are batch of 2020. Uh, I mean, so you are from Nepal or India? I'm a bit confused because my also high school finished 2 year ago. Like I was the first batch of the COVID, okay, like of the corona India. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, like I thought like yesterday you asked me for like a internship at the Kathmandu. Okay, like I thought of the other person. Okay, sorry for that. So okay, I'm understanding this code base. Okay, so as I initially told you that I'm taking reference from the open source side, like how they structure their code, right? And I always did one way. Okay, at the layout I used to have my all the provider there, but we can also do by at the component. Okay, new cyclone. Mm, It's 2020 and 2021 batch. I literally joined and for job and leave within a week. Why the brain like what where they like start up or job or like why bro? Because you mean actual for job or intern bro? Like actually for job. Like most of the people nowadays like yeah on the tech side yeah they are not getting one job also. Not all at the same time, but from 2023, 2023. Okay. And bro, I'm staying on a company more than 1.5 months. Okay. I was on that company as the role of the SEO, then SEO team lead, and digital marketing. And then within the company, I applied for the front end position and front end, and now I'm bit like a mid level, not like stated by the companies, but I'm going to approach soon. Not big companies. And bro, like on the initial days of our journey, right? I think like going on a startup, like joining startup rather than big companies is a bit good way, like a better way because at the start you don't know anything, right? Like basically you are kind of a learner. And on the big companies, they want you to perform on a best way, like a performance way. And on the startup, they just want to finish the task. So you can do your learning mistake many time on the startup, and they will only care about have you completed that task or not. But on the big companies, each and everything matters, right? And on like after having 4 5 years of experience, you can target like big companies where you can be a professional. Like Mac, do not crew member type job. Oh, okay. McDonald means uh, like a apple, like Mac. Hmm. No McDonald's. Oh, like a fast food chain. Oh, because on Nepal, I think yeah, there is no McDonald's. So I was like, Microsoft like for 20 days. Okay, bro, you are really a hard worker, bro. And you are now learning Flutter, right? Best tool. This is for you, brother. Mm, It seems like your turn is very helpful. No, bro, I'm lazy. I literally never took any job more than 2 weeks. I'm going to be in my 20s in 2 months. I should start taking. Bro, like, are you here on this live, bro? Are you serious? So, April, so I'm going to be also like 20 on like guess 2 or 3 months. I'm off like July, so on the July I will be 20 years. And I also like really want to take it seriously. So guys, I will be in this stream and I will be programming. I will be doing coding, but I need to watch one video also regarding one thing I didn't understand. Integrating something from the open source. So yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.